We're almost at the end of the holy month, the Ramadan, and I decided to join for 1 full month as a non-Muslim. Ramadan is not just not drinking and not eating throughout the day. This is where a lot of people are making a mistake. People are thinking, all right, when the Ramadan is there, the Muslims are not drinking, are not eating, and that's it. And are wondering why. And I can understand. If you just see them not drinking, not eating, and that's it, then you think, all right, why would you do that? This is what I also thought a few years ago. But this is far from the truth. The Muslims follow the religion Islam, which is a very pure religion. There's a lot of story, a lot of meaning behind it. And I decided to dive a little bit more into this. Like what can we learn from it? What can I learn from it? What can I bring with me in this process? And actually, this is not my first time that I joined the Ramadan, because last year I did the same thing, but it was very different. I also made a video about this, but actually last year I see more as a challenge. It was trying it for the first time, just see how it is to fast for 1 month, not eating, not drinking, and focus of course a little bit on spirituality, but I saw it as a monk mode, like a monk mode where I just focus on business and no other dopamine, whatever. It was a small detox. But this month I decided to really live and feel and act like a real Muslim. So I went to the mosque, I prayed every day, I fast, I gave zakat, which is giving charity. I tried everything, and I also read the Quran. I learned, I read, I hear, I speak a lot of Muslim brothers sharing their values, sharing their vision, their experiences, and the more I see, the more I think this is really inspiring. It's really inspiring that over 1 billion people around the world are following this month, where they are focusing on good, on their spirituality, dopamine detox. They are literally not doing anything which is toxic for them, because they believe that Shaitan, the devil, is locked during this month, which means there's no bad energy. And I think this is really powerful, because when I see these communities, when I see these families, when I see my friends, they're in peace. They are just following what is in the book, what is in the Quran. And I think nowadays we live in a world where everything becomes normalized. We're getting more crazy and crazy. If you go and open TikTok, we are far from a religious period of time. And a lot of more people are fading away from some really good disciplines. I'm not religious myself yet. I don't know what the future will bring, but it gives me a lot of power to see families and see parents giving and sharing values of their religion to their children. Nowadays, children are opening TikTok, going to the club, and their brain and the dopamine levels nowadays are going to the roof. And it's really hard to see, and I think a really good solution to that for raising children or giving some good disciplines or whatever is religion. Because when I go to an Islamic family, I see they're in peace. They are having the same values. They know what they are doing because they know what they are living for. And of course, life goes on. You just need to do your things and it's all the same. But I think spirituality means a lot. When I come there, they're just so open, so friendly. They're helping me, they're sharing food, it's great. And I've learned a lot from it, which is too long to describe in such a short video. And I will spare that for the now, because I think this journey for myself is something that's really for myself. Nowadays, when I go to the mosque and when I'm joining my friends there, I get a lot of questions. Are you a Muslim yet? Or do you want to revert, or are you becoming a Muslim? For me, right now, it's a really good spiritual journey where I can learn a lot from it. I'm open for it. I'm learning. And all I can tell is that it was a great experience. And yeah, we will see what the future will bring. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I want to ask you to be open for things in life. I think everyone can learn from this, so I'll challenge you to try it once. At least try to have a conversation with someone who knows a lot more from the religion, because I think we all can learn from it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.